I long to hope and trust that you may find your father.
Yeah, Mom, I feel well.
You look for Paul Campbell, you know him?
Father.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, father. Feel general.
Yeah, man. Look how me did a warn you. Look how me a warn you. Eh? And you not listen, brother. You not listen as me a warn you. Say your father you come to look for, brother. And make you come to this. Eh?
Time with this, I thought. You know, go for you.
Who you, sir? What are you doing on my house?